this idea of linking the social innovation with the technological one is the idea that usually the designers have worked as a bridge in between technology and society, but moving in the bridge from technology to society. I was saying yesterday, if somebody was there yesterday, that one of the possible 100 of definition of design has been designers are those that humanize technologies. And this gives the idea, okay, there is somewhere somebody, some technocrat, that develops some new technology, and the designer work to transform these unhuman technologies in something that can enter in the life of people. This, in some way, remains true. But what we are talking here today is that there is also another possibility, always remaining bridging actors in between society and technology, but moving in the bridge in the other sense, look into society, finding in society something new that appear, and bringing this new idea to the technocrats and say, why you don't develop something that can be useful for these people? So we are not, I don't like it, as I said, I will not be misunderstood, but if the other one is how to humanize technology, this could be how to technologize human needs or human action or human invention, how to use these ideas to develop line of research in technology and organization that can help this human invention to be more strong and to diffuse. So this is the first point. So what does it mean to foster this virtuous cycle? It means, I just told it before, to look in the society and to find out the new ideas. As I told yesterday, the new ideas have not the kind of arrows that say, here is a new idea. Because when you see that, probably it's not new anymore. So there is a problem to find out where something new and interesting is happening. And this could be a design activity, even if it is not yet anything to design. But in my opinion, the capability to look to the society and to find something interesting depends on the filters that you have. Because otherwise you don't see anything. So you discover that something is interesting if you have the filters that permit you to see, oh, look, this one is interesting. I think that one of design activity could be, with other profession, to participate in this assessment of the society, in this way of looking to the society and trying to find where and if there is something interesting that is appearing. And why I say there should be designer and not only sociologue and not only an anthropologist or somebody else, that of course can make this similar kind of job. But the designer, given that the bridge society, culture and technology, should have a certain perception of the viability of the things, or how they could be important, how they can work. So when you look to something, you should be able to select the cases that are more strong, the ones that have stronger service idea. And as a matter of fact, in our research, we have used the student, we have used it, I hope, in the good sense of the term. I hope that they like it. In any case, we worked our antennas to find the new cases has been the students. This is very important because, sorry, somebody listened to me yesterday and I have to repeat myself. The new things are very weak signals and you don't find them in any book. So you cannot search in a book where there is something new, because before somebody detects it, nobody really tells it. And in statistical terms, they disappear. So what is the methodology to search for the new, given that you don't know where the new appear? And paradoxically, the more the new is new, the less it's possible to imagine where it can appear. So you are looking in one direction and the new appears in the opposite side. Because if you don't have somebody that is able to recognize something new that happened where it happens, you cannot see it. So to use, in the good sense of the term, all the school of design that are energy, are potential, are clever people, to look around and try to see where the new is appearing, could be a very important social role for the school. Not only because the school themselves, the students themselves learn a lot, looking around, talking with the people, etc., but also because they are energies and intelligences that can help in understanding what is happening. So to create a network of schools that function as antennas, capable to collect new ideas and to put them in a kind of big database and to select it to discuss, this is something that could be very important and very useful. And this is the phase of detecting. The second is reinforcing. So the weak signal that arrives can be reinforced in several ways. The most simple, as I said before, is simply focalizing them, making a book. In this book, you don't find any project at the moment. The second one will have some projects, but here they are not projects. They are simply presented. I don't know if they are presented well or not. It's up to you, judge. But this community that exists somewhere have never been put in a book.